let's talk about layer 1 and layer 2 blockchain architectures. It essentially refers to the setups of the blockchains, um, and yeah, they're essentially categorized by layer 1 and layer 2. So layer 1 typically refers to the main cryptos that are basically like blue chip that everybody knows. So ETH, Bitcoin, um, Solana, just the main ones. With this, again, they're decentralized. Um, the size of them is a bit tighter, so you will find that when loads of transactions start to come through, it slows down the network. That's one of the issues with layer 1. But in terms of like security, you find that it's rather secure, or the security methods and mechanisms with layer 1 tends to be proof of work and proof of stake. Obviously, there's also other methods, but those are the main ones. Um, Sorry, just looking over my notes. So, in regards to layer 2 tends to refer to blockchains that are then built onto layer 1. So the disadvantage with that is obviously you need layer 1 to then process the transactions. But layer 2 is better because obviously it helps with scaling, and yeah. So you have something like the Lightning Network, which is based off of Bitcoin. You also have, trying to think, Polygon, which is based off of ETH. And the great thing about it is that you can have a bunch of transactions, and then which are done off chain, and then because they're done off chain, they can be done at a faster rate, and then they bring them back on chain, send them off to layer 1, and then speed is gone off quickly. This obviously helps with speed, and it'll be lesser fees. I think, yeah, the security of layer 2 is still pretty much the same as layer 1. There isn't like a specific security related to layer 2 only. So it will just be like um proof of stakes, sorry, just went blank. um yeah, so that's pretty much layer 1 and layer 2. It's not that complex, but obviously when these words are being thrown out, it can be very difficult for a newbie to kind of grasp like what's the actual difference between both of these. But again, I think the simplest way to remember it is layer 1 is the main blockchains, and then layer 2s are essentially blockchains that are then built on top of layer 2s. And then you can go obviously deeper, talking about roll-ups. Obviously that's reference to layer 2s, and so on and so forth. But this is just a brief video. Maybe if somebody wants me to break down further down, I will do so. But on that note, thank you for watching.